Hello friends, welcome to my channel Telugu Trader. Before continuing to video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos in case if you like the content in the video. Also, I request you to please subscribe to my Telegram channel Telugu Trade. Hi friends, today I'm going to give you an analysis on a stock which is investors are favorite and mutual fund favorite from the last so many years. The stock which I am going to tell you is Bharat Electronics, which is currently trading at 73 rupees 85 paise. The stock comes under industry defense sector. The market capitalization of the stock is 17,860 crore and falls under mid cap category. The return on equity of the stock is 15.83%. So coming to the 52-week high of the stock, it is 122.15 and the 52-week low of the stock is 56.110. Today I am going to show in my video whether the stock has the capacity to reach 115 rupees or not on a monthly levels. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics is a public sector undertaking, which means that the majority of the shareholding is held by Government of India. So Bharat Electronics Limited produces a wide range of state-of-art equipment in fields such as defense, communication, radars, naval systems, C-41 systems, weapon systems, homeland security, telecom, broadcast systems, electronic warfare, tank electronics, electro-optics, professional electronic components, and solar photovoltaic systems. Bell also provides turnkey system solutions. Civilian products from Bell include electronic voting machines, tablet PC, solar-powered traffic signal systems, and access control systems. So Bell was established to meet the specialized electronic equipment requirements of the Indian Defence Services. So Bell was majorly in simple was formed by Government of India in 1954 to provide majorly systems such as defense related systems. It is a part of Make in India concept by Government of India. So this is the shareholding pattern of the Bell. If you see, as I told you earlier, 51.14% is held by Government of India. So it is a public sector undertaking. Next, if you see, Bell is the law of the mutual funds. Many of the mutual funds have invested in this company and they almost has 61.18 crores of shares and the holding percentage is 25.11%. Even insurance companies also have 4.73% stake in the company, and the much influential and the much highly turn around operators FIS hold around 10.71% in the stock, which is a good sign. If a mutual fund is holding more than 25.25%, it's a good sign to invest for a retail investors. So others hold around 10% in the stock. So as I told you, mutual funds hold more than 25%. This is a breakup of some of the mutual funds which are holding this share. You see CPSE exchange traded scheme. CPSE ETF is holding 4.89%. HDFC trustee company AMC is holding 4.86%. Kotak multi-cap fund is holding 3.27%. Mirae Asset large cap fund is holding 3.26%. LIC of India is holding 2.36%. Aditya Birla Sun Life is holding 2.26%. Bharat 22 ETF is holding 1.82% and SBI Blue Chip Company is holding 1.45%. So it's a beautiful stock to invest because most of the mutual funds are anticipating enormous returns in the stock, which is a good sign for retail investors to enter into the stock. As an investor, we have to look at the monthly chart and the daily charts of a stock before investing in any stock. This is very important. Otherwise, investors will lose a lot of money. So whenever I give you an analysis of a daily charts and monthly charts, I'm here simply writing down the monthly support or the daily support and monthly resistance and the daily resistance levels. So someone who wants to enter for investments or positional purpose, please maintain a strictly stop loss of the levels mentioned in the video. So Coming to the monthly chart, BALE has taken a support at 56.73 to 73 levels. So now currently it is trading at 73.95, and on the upper side on the monthly charts I see a resistance at 88.88 levels. So if the stock is breaking 88.88 on a monthly closing basis, you can easily see for the next level of levels 115.78. So what happens even if the stock crosses 115.78? It has the potential to make another fresh new high. It can reach another 50 to 60 points on an easily basis. So if you see the volumes on the monthly charts, the volumes are not even encouraging, as the investors are coming into the stock from the last 2 to 3 days. The RSI also has taken a support and it is trending at 38.24. Once the RSI reaches 50 levels, you'll see more number of investors coming into this stock. So for safer side, I am again repeating, someone who is entering into the stock at the current level on a monthly basis should keep a strict stop loss of 57 rupees, and he can easily get another 10% return in this stock. So coming to the daily chart of BALE daily support is at 71.74 levels, followed by 68.66 levels. So someone who wants to do an intraday trading, I strictly recommend the traders to keep a stop loss at 71.74, followed by 68.66 levels. So it has a resistance at 76.55, followed by 80.20 levels. So someone who is even entering at 73.95 or 74 levels, he can easily set a target of 76.55 followed by 80.20. Breakout of 80.20 on a daily closing basis can take this stock to the next level of 89 levels. So if you see the volume, as I told you, volumes are coming from the last 2 days. You see a green candle here on yesterday closing. So people are optimistic, and they are entering into this stock from the last 2 to 3 days. Even the RSI is also very strong, which is indicating a strength in the stock, and the stock has a potential to go upside. Thank you all for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get further updates. Also join my Telegram channel where I can share my latest videos on the channel. Have a good day.